Hi guys!
Hi guys!
We're back. Welcome to our channel. Right now we're going to unwrap these 4 items that we have here. I ordered these items from Keenz Kustoms 3D print. This is for the Forester.
Yeah.
He customized this especially for the Subaru Forester.
Yeah, I know.
And first we're going to unwrap this one.
Yeah.
This one is the F badge for the grill. For the grill.
Oh.
I know. There you go.
So
you can see here, it's a good quality. F badge. It means Forester. So he gave this to me and this cable tie. So you can put it here. Then put in your car. Like this. I'll just show you how to put it. Just custom quality stuff. Nice. Here you go. So when you put this cable tie, you can attach this to the grill of your Forester. There. And the second one is the fuel cup holder. Irvin, do you know this?
No.
This is for the fuel.
Oh.
You know the cover for the fuel? Yeah, it's nice, eh? Here you go. Nice too. So you just put your fuel cup here.
Cup?
Yeah. So lanyard for the fuel cup. You put here the fuel cup. For the fuel cup. You put here the fuel cup. There you go.
Why you're giving me all the pop?
And this one. You know what's this, Irvin?
No.
It's a keychain.
What?
I ordered a keychain for our Subaru. This one.
Ooh.
Nice. It's a good quality. Just remove that.
No.
Remove that. I'm going to take a video. So we're going to install this item in our car. Just watch it. is the old one. So ito. Next is this. That. Boom. That's it. And remove this. Let's put it here. It's nice. Thanks for Keenz Custom 3D print. This one's very nice. I like it. Hi guys. I'm going to install this video here. So we need to remove this bumper. Wood here, just remove this. Four pins. The 10. So that 10. So on the top you have two nuts, water nuts, and there's a two water nuts and 4 pins. The screw. Okay, screw. back.